Hi guys, it's Gaz here on the Gaz World channel. I'm here at CMC Motorcycles in Derbyshire. I'm just here to do a walk around review on this adventure bike, which is a Yamaha Tenere 700. This is the iconic middleweight adventure bike. The colour of it is Team Yamaha Icon Blue. They also do another colour, Midnight Black, which I'll show you in a bit. So let's get down to this engine. The engine is a CP2 689cc, 4-stroke, 2-cylinder, liquid cooled, double overhead cam. It's a Euro 5 engine. You've got your CP2 engraving there, outside case. It's got a max power of 71 brake horsepower at 9,000 RPM. It's got 68 Newton meters of torque at 6,500 RPM. I also did a walk around review in 4K of the Rally Edition, so be sure to check my other videos out, which has got extras on. This is your standard Tenere 700. You've got a wet weight of 204 kilograms. Your ground clearance there is 240 millimeter. Got a standard skid plate. Standard radiator guard. It's like a metallic-y blue. Your Tenere graphics, and then your black and chrome Yamaha badge. Your front suspension is a 43mm upside down telescopic fork with a decent travel of 210mm. You've got a 21-inch front wheel, an 18-inch rear wheel, and obviously, as you can see, they're like a anodised blue with chrome spokes. You've got your black fork guard. You've got your Brembo brakes and discs, which is an hydraulic dual disc at 282mm disc size. You've got an overall length of 2,370mm. That's your handguards, indicators. You've got ×4 LED projector, powerful headlights. You've got your clear screen, which is quite an high one. The height of this bike is 1,455 and the width is 905mm. You've got a seat height of 875mm. It's like a slimline seat, so it's good for manoeuvrability. get onto the fuel tank, which got a capacity of 16 litres, and this bike does approximately 54.7 mpg, miles per gallon. Full colour digital TFT screen, and then you've got your 12 volt power outlet for charging your devices and bits. Like I say, if you like motorcycles and you want to keep up with the certain brands, then please subscribe to the Gazworld channel, because I'll be doing plenty of reviews. I'll just show you this rear suspension, which is a swing arm link type, and it's got remote adjustable preload, and there's a travel of 200mm on that. Your rear brake again is Brembo. It's a hydraulic single disc with a disc size of 245mm. LED tail light. Like I say, if you watch the other video of the Tenere Rally Edition, which is white and red, you'll see that the other bike's got plenty more extras on and bits. 6-speed gearbox. Like I say, I'm here at CMC Motorcycles in Chesterfield, Derbyshire. If you're interested in this bike, please give the sales team a ring or visit their website. I'll put a link to their site in the description below. This bike is £9,705 on the road. I'll just show you this other one, this is the other colour in midnight black, which again is really nice. Like I say, this one here is what I did a video on a couple of weeks ago, and if you watch that video you'll see extras what are different. I hope you enjoyed the video. I've been Gazworld. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.